Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen like restaurants. First, let's focus on the broth, the heart of any great ramen. Begin with a high-quality base, perhaps a rich chicken or pork broth. You can enhance this by simmering it with aromatics like ginger, garlic, and green onions for at least 2 hours. This slow process extracts deep, complex flavors, laying the perfect foundation for your delicious ramen bowl. It's the secret to that restaurant-quality taste. Next, let's talk about the noodles and toppings. Select good quality ramen noodles, whether fresh or dried, and cook them precisely according to package directions, aiming for a perfect al dente texture. For toppings, consider thinly sliced chashu pork, a perfectly soft boiled egg with a jammy yolk and fresh scallions. Don't forget a sheet of nori seaweed and perhaps some bamboo shoots for that authentic touch. These elements elevate your ramen experience. To truly elevate your ramen, consider some key flavor boosters. A tear is essential. This concentrated seasoning, often soy sauce or miso-based, adds incredible depth and umami. Just 1 tablespoon or 2 in your bowl before adding broth makes a huge difference. Also, a drizzle of aromatic oil, like chili oil or garlic oil, can add a wonderful richness and fragrance. These small additions bring out the best in your ramen. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Pour your hot broth over the cooked noodles, then carefully arrange your prepared toppings. Place your chashu, egg, scallions, and nori thoughtfully on top for an inviting presentation. Remember, the visual appeal is part of the restaurant experience. Take a moment to appreciate your delicious creation before diving in. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade restaurant-style ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.